who on 3 occasions at least has been a second or less away from becoming Intercontinental Champion.
Mysterio has taken some world-class shots, but continues to get back up. But how many more can Mysterio suffer?
Ziggler's got to take advantage of that gutbuster and the enziguri.
And Mysterio lighting it up.
Mysterio picked up the telephone and called somebody at 619. The big splash. The champion ever.
The winner of this match and still Intercontinental Champion, Rey Mysterio.
The passion and the experience of Rey Mysterio has allowed Rey to retain the coveted Intercontinental title here tonight at the Night of Champions.